Today, Restoration Ministries is celebrating Christian education in Bermuda, specifically the Bermuda Institute. And today we are happy to honor one of our own, Mr. Rohan Davis, who has been a teacher at the Bermuda Institute for the last 18 years. And so today we say thank you for being an inspiration to so many of our male students and female students, but he is specifically the male PE teacher, and we are happy to acknowledge his accomplishments today. We appreciate everything that he's done, the inspiration that he gives to many, the humor that he brings to the faculty, and just the cornerstone that he provides at Bermuda Institute. Thank you, Mr. Rohan Davis.
Today you are being presented with the honor, and it is a token of our appreciation. Thank you for being a role model, not only to me, but to many around the island. I love you, and just thank you. And this is a appreciation that you long deserve, and we would like to honor you today.
Hi, Mr. Davis. I just wanted to say thank you for giving me the right amount of tough love I need and the encouragement I need to never give up.
I just wanted to say that I appreciate you for all you've done. You've been an amazing teacher and a great role model. I've known you for all my life, and I can say that you've definitely impacted my life significantly.
For the years that I have been at BI, you have been a huge support in my life. I want to say thank you for the many advice that you have given me just to get through the day or to keep me out of trouble. I surely will be taking this advice with me to college. Thank you.
I know you're my PE teacher, but you're also my father. I couldn't have wished for a better friend, companion, and father. I would not be where I am today without you, and I would like to say thank you.
Mr. Davis, as you have seen and heard, we truly appreciate you and what you do for our children these 18 years. You have been looking out for our young black males, and it is ironic that you're being honored during Black History Month. Your commitment to finding the students and parents who need that extra reassurance that they belong to Bermuda Institute is commendable. Congratulations. May God continue to bless you and your family, and may you hear the words from His lips. In as much as you've done it to one of the least of these, you've done it unto me. Thank you.
Motivates us to reach our highest potential. Shoe game on point. Drives us to do our best. Accepts no excuses. Values our efforts. Instills life lessons in every move. Sees the best is yet to come in us all. And you can always hear him exclaim,